Welcome to Web Handling. My name is Dave Roysum. In this third video on drives for lightweight or thin webs, we look at some motor control options. Recall from our first video that web tension changes going over every idler roller due to bearing drag and inertia. Recall from our second video that you can calculate the maximum number of allowable idler rollers in a drive zone by using the method given in my roller book. The maximum number of idler rollers may be 0 for many tender webs, such as most parts of a paper machine, some tissue converting machines, and other situations. In those cases, as well as others, you have no choice but to drive most or every roller. Draw or speed control is an option for those cases where undriven rollers, such as load cells and dancers, cannot be safely turned by the web alone. Here, rollers are mechanically or electronically geared together, possibly with an intentional speed difference. Draw control is also used when we intend to change the web permanently, such as the drawing of thin wire from thicker wire. Unfortunately, draw or speed control is open loop and has exceedingly complex effects on the web. We discussed some of those complications in Module 6 of Web 101 as well as in the roller book. Helper drives are small motors under torque control where the objective is to not change web tension. Rather, when done well, this open-loop control is set up to exactly counter bearing drag and inertia of a connected roller system. These also, simple as they appear, are exceedingly complicated because drag is seldom constant, especially with temperature changes and during the break-in of new components. We covered the concept of no-load motor torque in Module 6 of Web 101. If the web will tolerate a couple of idler rollers, you could consider closed-loop control, such as load cells or dancers. Unfortunately, quality closed-loop control is an exceedingly difficult mechanical design and control tuning exercise when you have lightweight webs. Honestly, did you really think you could learn everything you need to know about the enormous challenges of handling lightweight webs in a couple of YouTube clips? Get real. You literally have to go to web handling and drive school to be up for this. This advice may seem to be self-serving. However, learning on the job the hard way with challenging situations such as lightweight webs is, well, the hard way. It does not matter how many things you get right. All that matters in this regard is how many things you don't. Merely missing one important application detail could prevent a smooth startup and possibly handicap the machine forever. Thank you so very much for watching this module in my Plant Practical series. Stay tuned for more web handling and converting and winding topics.